Making content for Instagram Reels, YouTube Shorts, and TikTok? Then you know resizing your videos to fit each platform can eat up hours. But what if you could do it all in one go? Before we batch process anything, hit like and subscribe. We're here to make your editing workflow faster. Step 1. Use a free tool like Capwing or Veed. Upload your horizontal video to capwing.com or v.io. Both tools have auto-resize options and support batch editing. Step 2. Choose your format. Pick the 9:16 vertical format. These tools can auto-crop and center your content. You can drag to reframe the action if needed. Want to batch multiple videos? On Capwing Pro, you can queue edits, apply same format, and export them together. Step 3. Export and upload. Download your resized clips. Now you've got versions ready for Instagram, TikTok, and Shorts, all looking perfect. If that just saved you hours of resizing, like the video and hit subscribe. We've got more automation tools coming soon. If you found this video helpful, give it like and hit subscribe button and press bell icon for more tech videos like that. And if you faced any issue, you can comment down in comment section. I will help you. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.